It's a 14th session. It is related to size and composition of national income. First of all, introduction. A detailed study of the trend of the national income in India over the last 40 years is very much essential for attaining a clear understanding about the impact of planning on the Indian economy. Both the national income and per capita income are first collected at current prices and then at constant prices for eliminating the effect of any change of price level during that period. Trends of national income. First one, first plan from 1951 to 56. During the first plan period, prices has increased from rupees 41,443 crores in 1951 to 52 to rupees 48,288 crores in 1955 to 56. From 1956 to 61. During the second plan period, the national has increased 57 to rupees 50% during the plan period. Third plan from 1961 to 66. During the third plan, the net national product at constant prices rupees 60,000 1961 to 62 to rupees in 1965-66, showing an annual average growth rate of only 2.3% during fourth plan from 1969 to 74. During the fourth plan, this has increased from rupees 78,177 crores in 1969 and 70 to rupees 86,010 crores in 1974, which revealed the annual average growth rate of only 3.3% during the plan period. Fifth plan from 1974 to 1978. During the fifth plan period, the net national product at constant prices has increased from rupees 87,116 crore in 1974 to 75 to rupees 3,670 crores in 1977 and 78, showing an average growth rate of 4.9% during the plan period. In the sixth plan, that is 1980 to 85, the net national product at constant prices has increased from rupees 1,10,185 crore in 1980 and 81 to rupees 1,33,808 crore in 1984 to 85, showing an annual average growth rate of 5.4% during the plan period. Seventh plan. During the seventh plan period, the national income of India at constant prices has increased from rupees 1,39,025 crore in 1985 and 86 to rupees 1,77,315 crore in 1989 to 90, showing an annual average growth rate of 5.8% during the plan period. Eighth plan. During the 8th plan period, the national income at constant prices has increased considerably from rupees 1,95,602 crore in 1992 and 93 to rupees 2,58,465 crore in 1996 and 97, showing an annual average growth of 6.8% during the plan period. Ninth plan. During the ninth plan period, the national income at constant prices has increased considerably from rupees 8,90,890 crore in 1997 and 98 to rupees 11,15,157 crore in 2001 and 2002, showing an annual average growth rate of 5.5% during the plan period. In 10th plan, during the 10th plan, the national income at constant prices has increased considerably from rupees 18,05,830 crore in 2002 and 2003 to rupees 25,30,494 crore in 2006 and 2007, showing the annual growth rate of 3.9% in the first year and 9.7% in 2006 and 2007. 11th plan. During the 11th plan period, the national income at constant prices has increased from rupees 34,49,970 crore in 2007 and 8 to rupees 36,72,192 crore in 2008 and 9, showing the annual growth rate of 6.4%. The next part is composition of national income. Composition of national income is to consider the basic sources of income. These are land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship. These provide returns to the owners of the resources, which are rent, interest, wages, and profit respectively. So this session has been referred from a book called Indian Economy, written by Mishra and Puri, and some internet sources have also been used for the reference. Thank you.